Hey guys, welcome to the final chapter of this series. So today we're going to be talking about contracts. Now I'm going to keep this very short and sweet. If you don't make a contract for your gigs, you're going to be screwed over a lot of times. People are going to take advantage of you if you don't make your contract airtight. Now, let's say you make a contract that you believe covers all the parameters regarding the gig, right? You put in there the amount of photos that you're delivering to the client, you put in the date and time for the shoot, you put in maybe what extra photos might cost, you put in the fact that your payments are going to be parallel with the amount of time you spend there, you put in maybe if there are any late fees attached to being late for a shoot for a client, you put in everything you want to put in there, right? The client agrees to this, and then later on the client brings up something that they want you to do and you both agree to it. You definitely want to edit your contract and have them re-sign it, because what's going to happen is there's going to be a disagreement somewhere down the line and you're just going to regret the fact that you didn't put in writing, right? Sometimes people will say that you said a certain thing or you agreed to a certain thing when it's not in the contract, and since the interaction is already going downhill, you just want to kind of preserve your reputation and just leave things on a good note, so you end up trying to please the client, but then you're upset on your own because you feel like you may be screwed over. And that's why you need to have whatever they add later on in the contract in the first place, so they can hold both yourself accountable and the client accountable for any agreements that you guys make. One extra thing that you can do is when your client is signing the contract, if you can get them on a call, that would be awesome. Get them on a call and go over the contract details with them while they have the contract in front of them. Go over the details, and then once they agree to everything, you repeat to them that you agree that this is going to be this, that is going to be that. That way there is no room for any misunderstanding between you and your client, and it just makes the process much easier, and it just relieves you of so many headaches that you might go through in the future. I mean, you can just ask any photographer about the importance of contracts, or any business person, and I'm sure they'll have stories to tell you. Well, we've come to the end of this series, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Feel free to subscribe and share with your friends as well. And if you have any extra questions about the photography business or any questions at all, feel free to DM me at Daniel Are on Instagram. That's Daniel with 3 L's and ARE at the end. I'm going to leave a link down below, and I'm going to leave my page on the side as well. Let me know, give me some feedback about this series and how you liked it. And yeah, I'm always here. I'm going to see you guys next week. Peace. Guys, click on this video to learn how to make an attractive Instagram profile for yourself. But before you leave, don't forget to leave a like down below, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in this video.